Let me show you how to use two WhatsApp accounts and numbers on your iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. So you see, I currently have two WhatsApp applications installed. So one default app, and basically the trick is, if you want to basically run a second WhatsApp number on these phones, is to simply go in the App Store and search for WhatsApp Business. Okay. So, and then we can simply download this application here, and essentially functions just like normal WhatsApp essentially. But basically, before a contact adds you, he will be able to see that this is like a business account number. But again, like when it comes to usability, it functions really just as a normal WhatsApp. So again, so there isn't any like real difference between them. So again, this is really the only way how to run two WhatsApp accounts at the same time. Obviously, he will also obviously receive notifications for each different app. So if you're wondering if there's any like native dual app support on iPhones, so this new 17 Pro, then nope, unlike on Android, we obviously do not have that. Anyway, good luck.